Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also well, alhamdulillah. Thanks for asking. What's your full name?
My full name Farhan Rahman.
Is it your nickname, Farhan?
Yeah, my nickname is Farhan.
Okay, that's good. Who selected your name?
My father selected my name.
Can you tell me about your family, your life as well? What do you do now? Everything?
My life is very simple.
Very simple. Okay.
Yeah. My family members, my father, my mother, and I have a little brother. My father is a job holder, private job holder, and my mother is a housewife, and my little brother reads in class 5.
Okay, so you have a nice family, by the way. Well, Farhan, now I'm going to ask you really some simple and general questions. First of all, you can tell me about your childhood life. That how did you spend,
My childhood life is very enjoyable.
and what did you do basically?
I play games with my friends, childhood friends.
Okay.
Um,
Where did you spend your childhood life?
I spend in my childhood life my village,
What's the name of that place?
Rajshahi.
Rajshahi.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, Rajshahi.
And do you know how to swim in the pond?
No,
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. Have you ever tried?
Yeah, I tried,
But
I failed.
You failed.
Yeah.
You can't do this right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever climbed up the tree?
Many times I climb over the
You
tree.
climbed.
Yeah, I
Okay.
climbed the tree.
And why did you climb up the tree?
Mango, lychee,
Lychee. Okay.
and jackfruits.
Jackfruits as well,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you feel afraid when you climb?
No. I feel happy.
You feel happy and you have more confidence,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. And let's talk about the catching fish. Do you know how to catch the fish? Have you ever tried anymore?
I tried, but also I failed.
Okay. Catching fish is really nice.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
when you catch the fish, you also feel okay because under the water you can't see where is the actually fish, right? So you
Yes.
have to grab the fish without any techniques. Obviously, there is a technique.
Yeah, there are many techniques.
Yeah. So by using net, obviously you can catch the fish.
Yeah.
That's the easy way to do this. Well, Farhan, how long have you been living here, Uttara?
I live in Uttara after 5 years.
You've been living here for 5 years.
Yeah, for 5 years.
Okay. And are you okay with this place?
Yes, sir, I am okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have any friend here?
I have not many friends, but I have
A few.
little friend. Yeah,
A few friends. Okay. And can you mention one name?
Mehraj.
Mehraj. Where does he live?
He lives near.
Your apartment?
Yeah, not my apartment, and nearby house.
Oh, your house.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for coming here and talking to me right now. It's very good. So we're gonna talk more, inshallah. So
Inshallah.
that's all for today,
Yeah.
and the exam is over.